Test your English level. Designed for B1 and B2 learners. This test contains 30 questions which assess your grammar, vocabulary, and understanding of everyday English. We've uploaded a PDF version of the test with a concise explanation for each correct answer in the description below. By the end of the test, you'll find out whether your grammar and vocabulary level is B1, B2, or higher. Take your time, enjoy the challenge, and see how much your English has improved. The hotel offers a wide range of services. The weather is getting worse. I can't believe how much I spend on coffee. They haven't finished the project yet. I haven't seen Tom since last week. She suggested going to a new restaurant. Her parents let her attend the party last night. I told you not to switch off the heater, didn't I? A walk in this weather? You must be joking. Peter has 2 brothers, but he doesn't speak to either of them. Mary speaks more slowly than Anna, so she's easier to understand. What do you want for dinner? Rarely have I seen such an excellent performance. The results were not as encouraging as the team had hoped. The company decided to withdraw the product because of low sales. Martin is someone with whom I usually agree. He gave a short summary of the main points at the meeting. If it rains tomorrow, we'll cancel the picnic. She asked me whether I had seen her phone. Michael is responsible for answering customer emails. The team will need to revise their strategy if they want to win the next match. His explanation was vague. I still had many questions. Are you watching the football game tomorrow night? What's the quickest way to get around New York? I never drive during rush hour because the traffic is so bad. Julia is so mature for her age. She seems much older than 14. If she had studied harder, she would get a better job now. Which sentence uses the third conditional? If I had known, I would have helped. Not only did she attend the meeting, but she also gave a great presentation. She said that she would finish the report the next day. Well done for making it all the way through. Depending on the number of right answers you got, your understanding of English grammar and vocabulary can be described. If you got anything from 1 to 16 answers right, your level is B1. With 17 to 26 correct answers, your level is B2. If you got 27 to 30 answers right, your level is higher than B2. Don't forget to share your score in the comments section. If you're new here, make sure to like and subscribe for more useful content. See you in our next videos.